So I know I haven't posted in about a week, but your boy just got a couple of parts I ordered in. So this is a gas cap. I actually thought they were gonna be sending me a brand new gas cap. I didn't know it was a cover, but whatever, it all works. So we're gonna be installing this today on the car. It's like 20 degrees outside, but we're gonna be installing carbon fiber door handles and the gas cap, and then I should have some other things coming in, but we all know car parts right now, it's taking forever to come in. So I'm gonna at least put this content out because I haven't posted in about a week.
My windows tinted, they can't see me if I'm in it. Long distance, I might use
These from Rexspeed. I don't know if this will focus or not. Okay, yeah, I got these from Rexspeed. Okay, so it ran me about $300 for both of these total. I think it was like $255, something around there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep these to get put on the car. They sent me this. It's like a adhesive. It's like a, it just helps with the adhesive. It's an adhesive promoter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use this 3M tape. I'm gonna use my Gorilla one right here. It's a lot stronger. So I'm gonna use that. First I'm gonna clean these down with alcohol, the insides, and I'm gonna use the adhesive promoter, and then stick the 3M tape, and then do the same thing on the car itself, and then get these bad boys stuck on in the cold weather. So if you haven't already, drop a like right now because your boy's about to freeze his ass off, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so prep is done. What we're gonna do is clean all this mess up for my mom yell at me, and then put these on the car. So my car does have water spots on it, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe the handles and then the gas cap off with alcohol first, then I'm gonna put the adhesive just so it can stick just a little bit better because it is a lot colder outside. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna grab that, and I'm pretty sure it just self-explanatory. Gas cap sits around here and then sticks on, and then you already know how the door handles go. So yeah, just wanted to look at how well these match up, and right now they look pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. Bro, if only y'all knew how cold it is right now, bro. What I realized while installing this is that it doesn't even like sit around perfectly. You just stick it on, but seems like it's on there pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side real quick. Yeah, excuse the dirty car, but overall pretty easy install. Let me just go around. Everywhere is on good, and it matches all around. So I am actually happy. Quick install. I just wanted to get a video up for you guys. So gas cap, mirrors, door handles, now carbon fiber, baby. I just like randomly came here to do like a little cinematics on the car with all the carbon fiber and all that. And somebody came up to me and just gave me a free photo shoot. Like, it's so cool. I'm networking off of a car, but yeah, man, carbon fiber handles and door caps. I mean, I said door caps. Gas cap is on the car. A lot more parts is on the way. So tomorrow, I think Saturday or Sunday, we're supposed to be getting like a foot of snow. So I think I'm gonna be doing another video of how this acts in the snow, but this time it's gonna be a lot more snow. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna try to drift in the parking lot, do some shit. We're trying to get reckless, but that's the video for today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe, baby. We out.